Your affiliate marketing guide. Affiliate marketing is something that many webmasters know how to do. They know what it is about, and what it takes to be successful. However, if you are new to the webmaster world, you may just be wondering how you can get into affiliate marketing and making an income on the side for yourself. Doing so is not that complicated, and we have created this guide to get you started. First of all, let's cover just exactly what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is when you sell or get leads for someone else's service or product. You are going to find that there are so many people that do this. When a company needs some help making sales, and they allow people to sign up as affiliates, they are willing to pay a commission or a flat rate per lead or sale. Depending on the company, this percentage or flat rate will vary. Affiliate marketing can be used to make a decent income several ways. You can use a website, a blog, newsletter, email, ads, etc. The list goes on and on. However, the most popular form of affiliate marketing is done with a website. When you choose the market that you want to promote, be sure that you choose one that you are somewhat familiar with. This way you can become an expert on the topic, and everyone will know that you are the king of that market. Once that is done, it is time for a URL. There are many places that you can get your own domain from. Once you have decided where you will purchase that from, choose a URL that has the topic you are selling in the URL for the best results. For example, if you are wanting to market cat food, you want to use a URL that has dog in it. Make sure that everything is all relevant. Now that you have your market and your URL chosen, you will want to determine the hosting that you will use for your website. You need dependable hosting for the best results. A hosting company that has more uptime than downtime is best, because during the downtime, your website will not be accessible. So, get some recommendations from others that have tried a few and use the best that you can find. It is worth it to pay for good hosting. Once that is done, you are ready to get your affiliate links and website set up so that you can market the most effectively. Determine the amount of money that you want to make, and set up an outline of how you are going to make it. There are so many ways that you can get a website out there to be seen, and you will want to make the best decisions. So, finding out the best ways for you to do this is cost-effective is a good start. Learning SEO, which is also known as search engine optimization, is a great idea. Using SEO to get your site higher in the search engine rankings with keywords will pay off in the end. You can learn it yourself, or you can pay someone to do this part for you. It is up to you. However, you should know that learning and using SEO yourself is time-consuming. Hiring an SEO guru might be better for you. Write articles about the market that you are promoting from your website and submit them to all of the article directories. When you include a backlink to the site that you are optimizing, that will help you as well with the search engines. Affiliate marketing is not anything that you can make money with overnight. You need to be able to build up and keep adding to your website daily or weekly, and keep it going. You can do it, just don't give up.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.